And we're back with the BMW. So she got hurt. About a week ago, she was backed into by a Honda Pilot with a tow hitch. So yeah, this was kind of pushed in, but it actually popped its way out. So I don't know if it was because of the heat, but as you can see, a little bit of a dent right there. This is broken in. Grill's broken. Emblem. A little bit of denting and scraping right there. Not a good time. It looks a lot better though, because that big dent popped itself back in. So like from like far away, you can't really tell that it was hit. To like a normal person. I mean, to me, I noticed it right away. But we are gonna take her over to my buddy's shop, and he's gonna get her all back to normal. I was thinking about doing the M Sport bumper on it, but it's just gonna be a pain. Woo, she's hot in here. Oh my god. Oh god, it's so hot in here. Ah, fuck. Ah, it's burning me. Holy shit. We also got a brake light. We're gonna see if he can clear that, because we did the front and rear brakes together. Where's the sync button? Sync most of them. Ooh, it's hot in here. So we're gonna drop it off at his shop right now, but yeah. Shit happens. I've had the car for like 3 months now. And we're at all the sensors and stuff still work, which is really, really nice. Oh my god, it's so hot. Fuck. I hate these curbs. Anyway, we're at 49,500 miles, and she got hurt. But it's okay, it happens, whatever. You can't be mad about it, you gotta be optimistic. So we're gonna take her right now to my buddy's shop. Let's get rid of eco mode. Put her in comfort, there we go. But yeah, just wanted to do a quick video. I'm actually short on time because I gotta get it to him and I gotta run some other errands. I gotta finish a video on the Altima that's killing itself. So yeah, it's gonna be a busy day, guys, busy day. But let's get out of here. It's like only like 75 out. It's just so hot. 82 out. It's 82 out right now. Whew. And just like that, we're here with the Altima, but we're back to see the BMW. She's all fixed. They took care of a scratch on this corner. It's all gone. Monster right there. Oh yes. Bumper's all taken care of. I can't make it. Grill's replaced. She's all good. She's all good, thanks to him. She needs a wash. Oh, yes, people. The only thing is we gotta order a new emblem. I might order a black one, so I told him to hold off on it. I still have the brake light on the car. He realized that it is just a bad sensor, the one I got from FCP Euro, so we're gonna get that replaced. That gigantic gouge that was in here on this corner is now gone, so I am happy. She's looking super good, super fixed. Everything lines up perfectly. Shout out to Fine Auto Sales and Repairs. They have a beautiful lot over here. They love their Lexuses, they love their BMWs. Well, that one's beautiful. That's a 335 IS right there. There's a black one right there. No 3 Series. Oh, they have the most beautiful cars here. And there's a... Oh, let's take a look at this. Oh, this thing's beautiful. Yeah, it's not a 350, boys. It's an actual F, not an F Sport. Just to show you guys. It's an actual RCF. I hope you guys can see that. The quad tips. Like I said, guys, it is the actual RCF. Oh god, this Corvette just pulled in. I told you guys, these people don't play around. I'm just gonna play around. But yeah, thanks for tuning in. Thanks to Fine Auto Sales for bringing the BMW back to where she should be. Very happy right now. Thanks for tuning in, guys.